Welcome to Z. We believe confidence is crafted, not given. It's about how you present yourself to the world. Our designs are made to help you feel your best. Visit Z.com and craft your confidence today. At Z, we believe confidence is crafted. Every piece is made with meticulous detail. Our designs empower you to feel your best. Experience the Z difference today. Welcome to Z, where confidence is crafted. Our pieces are designed to make you feel empowered. Like this sweatshirt, the fabric is so soft, it moves with you, crafted for your everyday confidence. Discover your perfect fit at Z.com.
Team, listen up. We need a perfect start. Let's execute the plan. Stay sharp, no mistakes. Good, let's go.
Добро пожаловать! В ЗИА мы создаем будущее сегодня. Наша команда использует инновации для роста и успеха. Мы стремимся к новым вершинам в технологиях и бизнесе. Присоединяйтесь к нам в этом путешествии. Вместе мы создадим будущее.
Racing is tough. You feel every bump, every turn. I have to stay focused, control what I can. It's not just speed, it's precision. I review everything, every lap, to improve. That's how we get better.
I've trained for this my whole life. Tonight, I take what's mine. No turning back now.
नमस्कार, मैं जी का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। हम आपके लिए हर लम्हा नई उम्मीद लेकर आते हैं। हमारी टीम लगातार नए और बेहतर अनुभव प्रदान करने के लिए काम कर रही है। हमें विश्वास है कि आप हमारी सेवाओं से संतुष्ट होंगे। धन्यवाद।
Welcome everyone to the launch of Z Beyond Imagination. Today we go beyond limits.
It's about reimagining the future.
Exactly. With your support, we will achieve the impossible.
The best is yet to come.
Thank you all. Let's make it happen.
Welcome to Z. We craft confidence. It's about feeling empowered in everything you wear. Discover our collection and find your perfect fit. Visit Z.com and craft your confidence today.